Handa ka na ba makinig, marinig sa mga bibitawan ko? Nakakaiba sa mga nakalipas na mga...
We had a 2004 Infinity FX35 for today. We will be fixing the seat that doesn't move. It only moves on the other side, but the other side it freezes. So we will be trying to diagnose for today, and let's see if we can fix it. So let's do it. So let's go check the seat. So see this. Hold on. It only moves on this side, but this one is frozen. See that? So let's remove this seat, and then let's go check it out. What's wrong with this? So in order to get this seat, it has like 4 bolts. So 1, 2, and then there were 2 more at the back. So right there, and then right there. It's a 14 millimeter socket. So that's the seat. So we will be removing this. And there's also a screw in here. And this plastic cover. Then remove this connection. I think we need to press this. There you go. 3 screws. Wow, shit. Oh boy, oh boy. So we found the problem of broken gear, because this one is plastic. I'll spray it so you could see it. See that? A broken gear. We found the problem. So that's how you diagnose a a seat that doesn't work for a 2004 Infinity FX35. So I'm gonna check if we can find or we can buy just this piece. So this is the broken gear. See the gear, it's busted. So what we're going to do is I might gonna get this piece from the passenger side and switch it to the driver side, so that the the driver side will work. So I already got the gear from the passenger side. So let's put this here. Okay. Let's see it. There you go. So let's push this thing, and then this one over here. There you go. Then there you go. Then get a vice grip. Then okay, it's tight now. Nice. All right. Let's try its work. See this thing? It will move. Alright. It's moving. It's work. Okay, let's put back the seat. Alright, there's the seat. Let's pull it on. So the seat is already installed. Let's try it, if it's gonna move. Oh yeah, it's moving now.